Hello students, today we are going to discuss about a very important concept in accounting, and that is of securities premium. Now what is securities premium? Let us understand that first. Securities premium is nothing but an amount which is received by the company from the shareholders over and above its face value. So for example, let's say face value is rupees 10 and the shareholder is willing to pay rupees 12 on the share, then the 2 rupees which is over and above the face value is called as the securities premium. Now guys, let me give you an example. 2017 में डीमार्ट ने अपने शेयर्स इशू किए थे और तुमने देखा रहेगा द प्राइस बैंड ऑफ द शेयर वाज 295 to 299. However, the face value was only rupees 10. So DMart was commanding a premium of almost 285 rupees above its face value. Isn't that amazing?